Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual just because I'm doing a voiceover for this. So let me know down in the comments if you actually like this kind of video. Anyways, in today's video, I'll be giving you guys ideas of what to wear when you have no ideas or nothing to wear for the end of winter and spring. This video is completely inspired by your mom Ashley's video, so this is not my original idea, but I thought it would be really fun. Anyways, please subscribe if you have not already, and like this video, comment down below, and hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every single time I post a video. Anyways, here's my first outfit. Okay, so here is my first outfit. It is a red and black striped crop top that's pretty tight, but I think it looks cool with the bigger pants. It is from YesStyle. The pants are from Romwe. I don't really shop that much from Romwe anymore. I've heard a few bad things about it, but I do love these pants and I wear them all the time. I feel like this is a pretty kind of basic outfit that anybody could make look good. I feel like everybody has a tight top or a crop top in their closet and some sort of pants, even if they're not oversized like mine are. I just really like mom jeans now. Anyways, now here's me adding a chain to the pants. This did not come with the pants. This chain I bought separately from Hot Topic. It's just a random wallet chain that I think adds a lot to an outfit. I think it looks really cool like that, and it does change it up a little bit. So yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. I'm kind of struggling here. Ignore that. Anyways, so now I'm showing you guys the outfit with the chain on. I personally like the pants both ways, but I know some people don't really like chains on their pants. That's fine. Get one with a detachable chain or just buy a chain separately. Anyways, on to the next outfit. So here is my next outfit. If you guys have seen my try on haul from Romwe/Shein, kind of complicated. There's a reason why I'm saying both. Anyway, you know that these pants and the last pants came together and I love them so much. These are just random high-waisted skinny jeans. I feel like everybody has skinny jeans. I feel like it's a pretty generic thing. I personally love high-waisted pants. Those, again, are from Romwe. And my top is from YesStyle. I usually wear undershirts, which you will see next and more throughout this video. I absolutely love layering shirts like that, but I also love wearing it just like that too. For the pants, you could see a bunch of buttons. I think that adds a lot of character. I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, on to the next outfit. Okay guys, so here is an example of that layering I was talking about with the same exact striped shirt from the last outfit. The striped shirt, like I said before, from YesStyle. The shirt on top of it that says Angel, which I think is so cute, is from Etsy. I love buying shirts from Etsy actually. You wouldn't expect it, but there is so many different types of really good quality clothing on Etsy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then the same pants from the last outfit, which are from Romwe. As you can see here, I'm really struggling to figure out which way I want to tuck in my shirt. I really love tucking in my shirt like a bunch of different ways. I know it sounds so simple, but it is something that I really enjoy to change up an outfit or something. Whether you tuck it in halfway, all the way, let it all out, push your shirt to the front. I don't know if anybody knows what I mean, but like everybody does that. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's really cool. I love this outfit. I think it looks really cool layered. And also, if you don't have a striped shirt, you can literally just use a plain white shirt or a plain black shirt or a red shirt or something like that. Any other long sleeve shirt, I think that would be really cool too. I just happen to have the stripes one and I love doing that so much. But yeah. Here is me trying to figure out how to tuck in my shirt yet again. Same shirt from the last time. This is again from Etsy. It says Angel on it, really cute. And now we have my favorite pair of pants ever. These pants are from Hot Topic. They are split pants, as you can tell. One side's plaid, one side's black. Oh my gosh, I love these pants so much. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it has a detachable chain, as I'm showing you right there. I do take it off just to wash them and everything, but I usually wear it with them on. I think this is really cool. Just like random printed pants, you could literally wear a plain shirt with them. If you have printed pants, you won't even have to worry about what shirt you're wearing. And I feel like that's such a hack, I guess. I don't know what to call that, but instead of worrying about, oh, will this match, whatever, like just get something plain. But in this, obviously I have something different. Anyways, on to the next outfit. Okay guys, so here is the next and final outfit of this entire video. I really love this outfit. I've been waiting to show it to you guys because it really reminds me of spring because of the colors, kind of like Easter, spring, whatever. The top is from Hot Topic, which is what I'm showing you guys right now. It's really cute. It has stuff on the sides and the sleeves too. I love Fruits Basket, favorite anime ever, favorite manga ever. I feel like the color's really cool, it's really comfortable, and I think it's perfect. And here are the mom jeans, which I'm showing you that there is a little skull on, also from Hot Topic if you can't already tell from the skull. They are so comfortable. I love that they're bright white and they have rips in them, and both things in this outfit are oversized, which I find very comfortable and really cool. Also, as you could tell, I'm trying to figure out different ways to tuck in this shirt because I feel like multiple ways it looks really good, but it kind of just depends on my mood. But I think that's really cool, and I'm really excited that I got to show this to you guys. Anyways, that is it. Here's my outro. Anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every single time I post a video. I love you guys so much. I really hope you got some sort of inspiration for your own outfits out of this video because that is my main goal, as always. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in the next video.